What's up, everybody? Francis here. So today I'm going to be discussing how to make 10k months, okay, with videos basically. All right, because the other day I got a DM from one of my friends and we got talking about how he was doing 10k months. He's actually one of my mentees back in the day, okay, and he's killing it online also. All right, and he's more of like specialized in videos and all those cool stuff basically, but he's doing the most pretty and basic things you can ever think of when it comes to making videos and using videos to actually make money, because video is a whole lot these days, and again, so many people are using it as an opportunity to actually make a ton of money online. So I'm going to be sharing with you how he's actually doing it and how you can also do it as well. And one of the ways I actually recommend you can actually use to more of like make money online. Okay, so this is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys the entire step. Okay, so I'm just doing my screen recording to actually walk you guys step by step so you don't get to miss out on anything, literally. Okay, so if you have any questions or any concerns, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, and in time, okay, I'm going to start more of like giving away businesses online. Okay, I'll be creating some online businesses, more of like funnels, landing pages, or WordPress websites. Okay, full-blown business actually that is already set up. I'm going to be giving away such on my channel. So if you want to keep updated with that, you want to get some of my online businesses, okay, that I'll be giving away, all right, you can subscribe to the channel. Okay, also comment below, like this video, share with a friend, and all those cool stuff, because I'm going to be picking people at random to give stuff to this period. All right, so that's one of my way of actually giving back. So if you want to be in, okay, I've been watching my videos for a while, subscribe to the channel, because some of the businesses I'm going to be giving away are businesses that makes money online, 1k to 10k. Okay, and some of them I'll just replicate what I'm doing and give to you, okay, literally. And what is currently working for me is what I actually give to you, and all those cool stuff, you can use them to monetize. And I also give you more of like one-on-one call with me. Okay, that way it makes it easy for you to get started or onboard yourself to start making money online with the business I'll be giving you. So with that being said, let's look at how you can basically make 10k per month. Okay, this is going to be a short video and straight to the point. So what it literally does is it more of like goes over to like YouTube. Okay, just more of like search people who do podcasts and all those cool stuff. Okay, there are a bunch of people who do podcasts on YouTube. Okay, basically there are so many. This is Joe Rogan right here and Patrick Bet David. Okay, there are so many podcasters on YouTube. Okay, people who do podcasts, and one of the things a lot of them like, or one of the things that is not so easy, is actually repurposing content. Okay, because me, I have some content I basically repurpose right here. If I play like this one, I like this one. I did this one myself. Okay, so I did this myself actually, and did the entire subtitling and all those stuff, but this wasn't actually very easy to do. Okay, let me just pause it right here. Let me play it a little bit. I actually like it. So this is not so easy to do actually. It took me a while. Okay, I kind of like know how to do video editing a whole lot, but it takes time. Okay, so I prefer outsourcing things like this and all those stuff. Okay, because I have a bunch of shots right here, and one of the things is I always feel like, oh, other people should be doing it, but sometimes I like doing it myself to create a template so they can just follow along and all those stuff basically. So that is another challenge other podcasters or content creators will also be facing. So and it's a huge opportunity. There's so many podcasts on the internet right now. Okay, people are popping up with their podcast and all those stuff, so you can more of like reach out to them very easily and help them repurpose their content into short form to make distribution a lot more easier for other platforms as well. Okay, that's just the business idea. Nothing no big deal, or nothing too big that you can actually handle. Okay, so some of the softwares you can actually use to do this, all right, to capitalize on this opportunity, because video is a lot. Okay, see, somebody is making $10,000 per month, okay, just repurposing content or repurposing videos. All right, you can use software like this tool called Vid Io. Okay, Vid Io basically. All right, it's an amazing software. Okay, if I go to the homepage, okay, let me go to the home page right here. You can see how the software actually looks like. It's a paid tool, and you can use this to do a whole lot. Okay, because you can subtitle content, repurpose content in different format and all of that. Okay, by going back to the page I left, I just click on try sample right here, and it took me to that page basically, and it's a paid tool. All right, and you can actually use it and delete this. There's a whole lot you can actually do with this. I've actually tried this tool out, okay, and you can see right here there's a subtitle part of it, basically to do auto subtitle. Then you can go in and edit the content. You know, I can change orientation for content. Basically, you can do something like this, portraits. Okay, you can do Instagram stories. Okay, so there's a whole lot you can actually do with this. Go for a paid plan. So the beauty about it is that this does auto subtitle. Okay, so I'll just let this just run while I talk about the other one, then we'll come back here in just a bit. So you can go over to this next one called Flixa. Okay, flixa.com basically. Okay, this one actually does what I wanted to do earlier, which is more of like when you're trying to import a video clip, you can just click on import and select this part called link. Okay, click right here, paste the link right here and import. Okay, so it can literally import a video, okay, that's not so long. Okay, video under 30 minutes. This one is saying more than 30 minutes. So let me go over to YouTube and look for anything under 30 minutes right here, if I can find anything. These are long form content. Okay, I'll just click this. I'll just pick anything basically to make it a whole lot more easier. So I'll pause this, copy this, come here and paste this here, import. So this is what's going to happen. It's going to process this video and bring it on screen for me right here. So I don't necessarily need to download the video or anything. Okay, this software can actually just import it right here on screen for me. So the last part, okay, we're going to be talking about is okay, so this is it right here. All right, this is the content from YouTube directly. All right, and I can literally I can subtitle it, edit it, and all of that. Okay, this software actually have a lot you can use to do whatever, but the paid plan gives you a lot more feature and other stuff basically. So I can also use this tool called InVideo. I love InVideo a lot. Okay, I used to talk about InVideo a whole lot. So you can use InVideo to actually do videos and all those stuff basically. And I'm going to link InVideo in the description of this video because this is the tool I use more. Okay, and I highly recommend you also use it as well. These other ones I'm currently trying them out and all those stuff basically, so you can use them to actually do a whole lot. All right, so this is the subtitle right here. Okay, basically you can just, you know, put them on the video, okay, and select a particular style, okay, the way you want it to be. Maybe you can select this one. Okay, I actually like this one a whole lot. Okay, so you can see it right here on the video right here. Okay, so if you play this, it actually just subtitles this way. Okay, hope you can actually see this. So you can actually see it this way. Okay, this is how the subtitle works, and you can scale it, you can do whatever, you know, you can more of like increase the text. Okay, you can literally do whatever, all right, and help people repurpose their content to help you make money online. All right, so that's basically the idea of how this works. What you need to do is to go try this out, use any of these tools. Okay, for the one I highly recommend is InVideo because InVideo is great. All right, and like I said, it's linked in the description down below if you want to try it out. All right, it's an amazing platform, so you can use any of this platform, InVideo, Flixa, or Vid, okay, to basically edit video and make money online. Okay, because people are currently doing it, and for me, I will tell you for a fact, okay, repurposing content is not that easy. Okay, I get to do it sometimes and it's not that easy. It's a lot of work, and if you're recommending or doing that service for a lot of people, they're going to be super grateful. So what you need to do is to go over to YouTube. Okay, go over to YouTube, find channels, find YouTube channels that are doing podcasts and all those stuff. Okay, reach out to them and basically help them with their content, basically help them repurpose their content, edit their YouTube videos and all those stuff. Okay, because they need the help or they need the assistance. Okay, so when you have pull up a spreadsheet, okay, more of like a Google Docs spreadsheet. Okay, open Google Docs, create a spreadsheet and fill it in with YouTubers. Okay, and contact those YouTube channels basically. And by doing that, how you can basically contact YouTube channels is more of like going to their social media handles in the description, or go to their about tab, okay, and find them. Okay, once you are logged in, you can actually find them on this about section right here, because I'm on the incognito browser right now, so I can actually see it. So that's how you basically want to actually find YouTube channels, reach out to them and help them with their content. Okay, I don't know why I keep opening this one right here, funny. Okay, so that's what you basically need to do, reach out to content creators on YouTube doing podcast long form content, because they don't have a lot of time in terms of repurposing content. Help them propose their content and give a fixed fee for a particular number of videos you could help them with. Okay, and you can do that for other people, basically rinse and repeat the process. And in time, maybe when you have so much videos on your hands, you can start outsourcing some to other people. Okay, so you can come out of the business, you can be free and move, like become the operational manager or somebody that oversees other people who does that basically, and you can grow your business that way. So that's all I have for you today. If you find any value in this, okay, like this video, share with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.